Are you tired of cramming for exams, drowning in deadlines, and still not getting the grades you want? What if I told you there are AI tools that can literally save your academic life? In today's video, I'm showing you 10 insanely useful AI apps that will help you become a straight A student. No more burnout, no more all-nighters. Let's go. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more smart study hacks. From note-taking to essay writing, to time management and even mental health, these AI tools have your back. Books, main body. Keycap 1 ChatGPT, your personal tutor. Brain asterisk. Need help understanding a difficult topic? ChatGPT breaks down complex ideas in seconds. It can also help you draft essays, answer practice questions, or prep for exams. It's like having a tutor 24/7. Keycap 2 Notion AI, Smart Notes plus Study Planner. Car Index Dividers asterisk. Organize your courses, track deadlines, summarize lectures, all in one place. With Notion AI, your notes become smarter and your time gets managed for you. Keycap 3 Grammarly/language tool, Write like a pro. Writing hand asterisk, whether it's an essay, an email to your professor, or a job application. These tools help you fix grammar, style, and clarity instantly. Keycap 4 Perplexity AI, Research smarter. Stop wasting time on Google. Perplexity gives you direct answers with sources. Perfect for assignments and research papers. Keycap 5 Quillbot, Paraphrasing plus rewriting. Avoid plagiarism. Improve your sentence structure and reword like a pro. Perfect for editing and polishing your drafts. Keycap 6 Otero plus AI. Manage your bibliography. Books asterisk, citations made easy. Combines Otero with AI plugins to generate perfect references in seconds. Say goodbye to formatting stress. Keycap 7 Camigo. Learn anything, anytime. Graduation Cap asterisk, powered by Khan Academy. This AI helps you actually understand subjects, from math to history, in a super interactive way. Keycap 8 Motion AI/Reclaim, powered time management. Alarm Clock asterisk. These apps plan your week automatically around your classes, tasks, and even your breaks. No more missed deadlines. Keycap 9 Canva AI/Adobe Firefly, visuals for projects. Create stunning presentations, posters, and social media visuals in seconds. Ideal for group projects or class displays. Keycap 10 Wobot/Earkick, your mental health ally. Studying is hard. These mental health AIs help you manage stress, anxiety, and burnout with daily check-ins and support. Asterisk if this helped you. Give it a like and share it with a fellow student who needs to level up. And don't forget to subscribe. I've got more study hacks, productivity tips, and AI tools coming every week. Asterisk remember, success isn't about studying harder. It's about studying smarter. With the right tools, you can absolutely crush it this year. See you in the next one. Stay smart, stay curious.